Hi guys,
I'm Star.
and Conscious Vlogs.
So we are gonna do this new summer drinks. I haven't had a refresher in a long time. So I got this medium mango pineapple refresher lemonade, and she got what?
The strawberry dragon fruit. Similar to mango dragon fruit from Starbucks, but
Okay, so we're gonna taste test each of them.
okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, mango.
Really
I love
sweet.
mango.
It's really sweet.
I love this.
Now let's switch. Okay. Ready? I would say.
Ooh, okay, dragon
Okay.
fruit. I like the dragon fruit in this drink,
Yeah.
but I love mango.
Yeah.
Mango's my go-to.
Makes sense. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite so far.
Yeah. Yeah. So I will give this what?
I would say
9.5 out of 10.
7.5 out of 10 for both of them. Well, this one's 7.5. This one's like 7.
I
out
would
of
give
10.
this 9 because I don't like. Well, I do like both flavors, but
Yeah,
the dragon
fruit's
fruit
not
is
familiar.
yeah.
Dragon fruit really could be good, but
Yeah. I would definitely get this one again.
this one for me.
Yeah. So, I think this is about the video. Give a like, subscribe, comment
down below what else we should taste test
or what
restaurants.
or what other refreshers we should try. Because it's summertime.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for the video.
Give a like, subscribe.
Wait, we already said that.
Thank you. We
Love
love
you, and bye.
Bye.